Welcome to One Inorganic Chemistry. Here we are going to find hybridization and shape of SO2 molecule. We are going to use 3D animation for our better understanding. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So let us substitute in the formula. Sulfur valency is 6. Oxygen atom we should not count, so it is 0. So total will be 6 by 2 gives 3. Lone pair should count oxygen atom. So 3 minus 2 gives 1. So H3 lone pair 1. H3 means sp2 hybridization, which leads to trigonal planar geometry. Atoms occupy the corner, but one lone pair also occupy another corner. In reality, you cannot see the electron because very small when compared to atom. So real shape will be V shape or bend shape. It is like water. So the shape of SO2 is bend shape. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.